I could take Kinti Kiba Heartburn. From reality, we can't run. I could celebrate the life of an Asante queen, a proud young Kuku Pikibu, a warrior who understood her roots and planted them so that we can fulfill the fruits. Ashanti mama, your footprint lives on. My life is only important if me can help plenty people, said Bob Marley. Mrs.Linnette Wilks, you teach you how to fish. With your knowledge, you're never selfish. You traveled your path and accomplished your mission. With Bowden Pen Farmers Association, you shared your vision. Nestled between the Blue and Janko Mountains, you made our heritage and culture your passion. You encourage you to take away and make fashion. Through ancestral memories and Ambassabeth Ecolodge, you share with beverages and bickle with the world. Enough love and laughter share while when visitors drink rich chocolate tea and boil, fry or roast bickle with coconut rundown. Enough sweat burst while dancing to the mesmerizing beats of Congo drums. You make we know so we culture richer than diamonds and pearl. Walk good with Queen while we proudly carry the baton. Ashe, ashe, ashe.